Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to scan QR codes just as this one here, just a sample. And of course you'll be doing it with your tablet, alright? So if you come across a QR code wherever, you can actually use your device to scan. Alright, so the first thing you'll need is a tablet with a camera, and of course this applies to phones as well, but we'll be focusing more on the tablet. So go ahead guys and make sure you have a QR code scanning app. Sometimes they come installed, sometimes you'll have to download one. Alright, so let me show you where you can find usually your QR code app. Alright, so if you do not have one, you can always go to the Play Store and you can download a QR code scanner. This is the one I'm using currently. It says it's QR and barcode scanner, and this one is installed. This is what it looks like. It says Gamma Play. That's this particular one, and it's installed. Do note I just simply downloaded it. I'm not a sponsor or they're not paying me anything. I'm just showing you what I use. Alright, so it's already installed on this device. So if you check it out here, it's right here. So once you're finished, you can go ahead and launch the application. So we can go ahead and launch. Alright, so there you go. It started up. Forgive me, I'm doing this with one hand. So we're going to point it at the QR code over here. Alright, and there you go. It has captured the QR code. And notice it says here, it's to my website, which is blogtechtips.com. That's blogtechtips.com. You can check that out. This is what the QR code looks like. Alright, so that's the one way of scanning a QR code using your device. Next, I'm going to show you that sometimes one is built in. So there's actually one built in this one. So if you go to the camera, and this should apply to any device, you can go launch. Alright, so once you're in the camera scene here, usually if by pointing the camera at a QR code it doesn't automatically scan, it would mean that it maybe doesn't have it. But just in case, you can come in here, you can tap on settings, and you can look out for anything that says QR code. Sometimes there's an option in here that toggles it on. Other times it's just a built-in one. Alright, so for example, this particular one has a QR code scanner somewhere around here. There you go. In this particular tablet, it says QR code scanner. So if I tap, there you go. It has a built-in QR code scanner. And if I scan, it should scan. Alright, so I'm going to point it again at the QR code. There you go. Notice it scans, and when it scans, it's asking you, do you want to open this address, which is my website, and it's just pointing you to the website. So of course that's how it works on these devices. Do hope this was helpful, and do hope you're able to find or use your device to scan QR codes. If you hit open, it will take you to the address. Be careful when scanning QR codes, especially random QR codes. Make sure that it's a trusted website that's shown, or of course make sure that you research before you open a link. You can research where it leads in case you are not sure. Alright, so this is Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, showing you how to use QR codes on your tablet. That includes Samsung, Dell's, or those Chinese tablets. It doesn't really matter. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.